My parents were not given the opportunity to study very hard. We were a good Marwadi family. We were definitely not middle class. I gave CAT, but it was not a very full blown preparation that I'd done. I worked for Zomato for a while, as a strategy manager. Worked in the food industry, got my hands dirty, like how startup works, how you actually do things.
What was the package at that time Bain was offering to IIM MBAs?
Like I landed by train in Delhi station and I was like, yehi meri duniya hai. I converted IIM Indore, but I was not very happy with myself. I thought, okay, I can definitely do better. This is my last try. I'm not giving CAT again.
ये तो होना ही था.
Just relax, chill, chill. इतना planning करके कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
I'm born and brought up in Ranchi. I did my schooling there and I went for my college in Delhi. I was in standard 6th. I was pretty clear that my path is going to be like a commerce plus MBA combination.
मुझे तो ऐसे लगता है कि even today I don't know what the future will hold for me.
But I would definitely want to do an MBA to explore what is there outside of consulting. They were very supportive, my father and mother. I think whatever I've done in my life and career.
What would you say is the third value of a Marwari culture?
If you look at the unicorns of this country, from Flipkart to Ola, I think everybody is a Marwari, I had not heard of consulting as a career until then, like most folks today are. It was a very new thing in 2015.
University में did your career choices, future choices change? And how and why? Gatte ki sabji, is it a Marwadi food or is it Bihari
It's
food?
Marwari food.
There is always a competition that is litti chokha better than dal bati.
First time I ate that, I felt I'd never eaten anything so yummy. उसमें उसने नींबू दिया था, प्याज दिया था, एक हरी मिर्च लगा दी थी, ऐसे.
DU was my eye opener for food items that exist in Delhi.
Tell us something interesting.
Who's Chetan Bhagat? What does he do? Name Amir Khan movies. I didn't know why are they asking me such silly questions. They should ask me something tough like what is depreciation, how do you calculate.
Those interviewers would have thought कि यार ये तो बहुत ही movie type का बंदा है, इसको नहीं ले.
Do I trust the doctor or do I trust the AI? Because AI says I have cancer for anything I ask AI. But the doctor says
which AI are you using? Which is telling you you have cancer for anything you ask? Because that's the point.
The moment I entered Hansraj, the red brick building, I still have those goosebumps when I have those flashes of memories. I was liberated in a way. I felt like now I can do anything in the world, and that is how my 3 years were like as well.
So I want to understand, you were working in Bain, but you then did an MBA even though you had that job, a short job.
It was not a motivator for me, to be honest, कि क्या salary मिल रही है. The girl is married. I think a lot of her wings are tried to be cut.
Consultant का मतलब है कि इसको ना ज्ञान देना बहुत आता है, खुद करना कुछ नहीं आता.
If you're not faster than how the industry is getting disrupted as a consultant, then you will become obsolete.
तो रुचिका तुम्हारी रैगिंग हुई थी?
They blindfolded me, put me on the ledge, 3rd floor, से आप jump करो.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
It was like a eye-opening moment for me. I could not catch up at all. I was lagging behind in quant like anything. If percentile came, I was crying out loud because my attempt when I had given, I was very confident I am not getting anything less than 99. Am I even going to compete with these people? These are all IIT Delhi, Bombay toppers, and I'm a non-engineer, and I felt very little about myself.
What value did the consultant add? How could the company not have the managerial talent to deliver this internally?
What does disruption mean? Because disruption has been happening for centuries. ऐसा कुछ नया नहीं.
The last big scale change came when internet came. So a lot of new businesses came in, new business models came in, new revenue models came in. Today those barriers that okay only an engineer could do this or only finance person could do this is blurred completely. You can learn anything, you can become everything. We Indians in general are subsidized. I don't know why. I really want to change this in the world, that you should pay for skill, you should pay for talent, and you should not pay for nationality. So everything we know is going to get obsolete slowly and slowly.
Say Meglani invested £10 million into you. Can you set up a health tech company in India?